sorry, don't come over.
Oh, we gotta wait the ball.
Excited, all right? It's time. You better be overexcited.
All the way down. This is, Mama, this is our last ride. And then we gotta go. Well, we had to get to it.
Thank you guys for sitting in the doorway. It's gonna help keep the water out. I'm kidding, guys. Nothing will keep the water out, okay?
He's scared.
Yeah. All right, well, let's find those final seats. We're clear. Let's get out of here. Guys, before we get started, please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times and supervise your children. Guys, pick your favorite hand. Wave goodbye to all the nice people on the dock. Bye. All right, guys, wave goodbye to all the naughty ones. To you, bye, skippers. Bye. Hey, guys, welcome to the world famous Jingle Cruise. I'm sorry, Jingle Cruise. My bad, that was my first farewell. Yeah. Now, my name is Skipper Erin. I'm going to be your skipper today, your social director, your dance instructor, and your ho-ho host for the next 3 weeks. Okay, guys? Yeah. I'm kidding. No. This cruise is a lot longer than that, okay? But welcome, guys. We begin our journey in the Amazon rainforest. Now, it rains here about 427 days a year, okay? So that's like every other day. You're keeping track, okay? Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, well, as we come around the corner, you're going to see the one, the only Jingle Bell Rock. Yeah. Now, it is one of our bolder attractions. Some people take it for limestone. I just take it for granted, okay? Yeah. Some people don't like that joke. Personally, I think it rocks, okay? Just my sentiments. Hey guys, looks like we've already made our way into the Congo River. So, let's see how far we can go, okay? Oh my gosh, you kill me, guys. Yeah. Well, I have something special set up for you, all right? It is a little holiday party. It's on the beach with lots of food and lots of people, okay? And it's right over here. No. Oh, no. Oh, there are supposed to be tons of people over there, but I can't seem to see anyone. Canoe. Oh, you guys get it. Yeah. No, it is such a shame that I was so ready for Veronica this year, the Festival of Bites. I even did all of my fish fest shopping already. I got you guys. Oh, no. That was supposed to be a cartridge in a pair of trees, but at least they wrapped it up all nice, put a cute little boa on top. Okay. I'm sorry. I was going to take you off the gift wrapping department, but I guess they blew it. There's the illegal bananas over there. Look what they did to my car. Oh my gosh, they think they're blue. That's crazy. At least I got to turn out a little bit. Monkey wrench or something. Well, guys, looks like we've already our way into the Nile River. Now, you have to be careful. It has a very strong dual tide this time of year, and it is the longest river in the world. Yeah, it goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, it's because you're probably in. You guys all say the same thing. Now, this over here is an African bull elephant. Fun fact about elephants, they actually have amazing memories. The best out of all the animals. Oh my gosh, guys, see look over there. That's an African bull elephant. Now, fun fact about elephants, they actually have amazing memories. They're the best out of all the animals in the jungle. I wish I had a memory like that. It would really help me with my job. Yeah. Oh gosh, guys. Okay. Well, this over here is the African belt. I don't know if you know this, but these are actually all different types of Santa's reindeer. Yeah. In the front, we have some big reindeer. In the back over there, we have some skinny reindeer. Oh, and in the corner over there, we have some stripy reindeer. Now, those are the oldest ones we have. They're so old, they're so black and white. A beautiful family of lions over there. Looks like they are enjoying their holiday feast. Tonight, it seems to be stripy reindeer on the rocks. Yeah, well, just make sure everybody's seated, even babies and laughs, please. Yeah, thank you so much. Oh, no. Oh, that's really... This is embarrassing. I'm sorry you guys had to see this. So at the bottom over there, that is my coworker's skipper wheel. Like that, yeah. You know, I told him before he went out today that it's not hard to get to the North Pole, but I'm sure he'll get the point in the end. But what do I know? Oh, gosh, guys. Okay. If you're a really big fan of cheetahs and you take a look right over there up on that hill, you're going to be so disappointed, okay? But if you look over there, you are going to see two beautiful crocodiles. On the left, that is Smiley, and on the right, that's Ginger. Now, a Ginger smaller, just please watch out for her, okay? Ginger snaps. Guys, she wants to have cookies, serious. Oh my gosh, guys, okay, now you're in a reindeer. I hope you got your reindeer. We're going to do something crazy. Oh, we're going to take her right at the waterfall. Okay, guys, yeah, normally I take a lap. But it's not so good, you know, okay? Oh, you're going to do a little bit. That's deep drive. That's thousands of different types of jungle bacteria, okay? Yeah, you're like to leave without a gift this time of year, right? Now, at this point in the cruise, people typically ask, Skipper Aaron, how'd your landing job here at the Jingle Cruise? It's very plain to see, okay? It's a crash course. I'm just kind of winging it. You know, that's the tail end of my story. Now, my career never took off like I hoped. My parents are really, really proud of my brother. Oh, no. Okay, guys, maybe that was a bad idea. When I said I wanted to have a lot of this for Christmas.
Mama, watch out! Watch out!
It's okay, guys, I'm going to scare him off. I'll scare him off. Look, I scared off my last ex. I love you! Oh, works like a charm, guys. Okay, we're getting out of here. Fine, okay? Just another reason my parents are so proud. You know, they even said to me recently, Skipper Aaron, your job looks so easy among you. Is that not true? Okay, stop playing. Among you can absolutely not do my... You guys, those are chimpanzees, okay? Obviously, do my job. But they no harm. I love chips. Nothing but those guys, yeah. On the left over there, that one is snacking on some margarine slice. And I know what you're thinking. I can't believe it's not butterflies. Yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh, okay, get ready. Guys, this is a really big deal. We are headed to the amazing, the incredible, the stupendous, eighth wonder of the world. Will hit your head on the box. Oh my god. That was scary. Well, guys, it looks like we've made our way to the Mekong River, and it's kind of Mekong me excited because if I'm not mistaken, and I never have been, okay, I think I just found the entrance to Santa's workshop. Yes! Guys, we are headed right inside. Now, the skippers have been telling me that I may go naughty list this year, but I just will not stand for that. Nature is truly beautiful, guys. Truly. Well, looks like we got some playful elephants. We should be going this way. By, okay? Go this way. Yeah. Oh no. Watch out. Yes, I'm kidding.
Oh my god, that's scary.
Hey, get out of here. I'm so sorry, guys. They've been really into dry humor these days, yeah. Now, a lot of people think it's water in our trucks. Yeah, it's not, okay? But guys, just like your presents this time of year, I think it might just be about time to wrap this up, all right? But don't worry, because if you want to get ahead on your holiday shopping, we are going to make a stop at our world-famous gift shop over there, okay? Now, we do specialize in hats at our gift shop, okay? But if you don't know your hat size, it's actually not a big issue. We are great at capsizing here at the Jingle Cruise, so we got you covered, no worries at all right? Now here's that gift shop I was talking about. We got a lot of monkeys in charge of this business, okay? Now there's a monkey over there taking pictures. He's so cute. Some people think we pay him to do that. But no, he just does it for the exposure, okay? And then his two brothers over here, they are in a boxing match. I really hope they keep it brief. Oh wow, those monkeys over there, it looks like they're trying to break some sort of a record. Well, good luck to you guys, truly. Is that an elephant? I forgot to share. Fun fact about elephants, guys, they actually have amazing memories. The best out of all the animals in the jungle. Now, I wish I had a memory like that. I would be unstoppable, truly, truly good. Yeah. Oh, gosh. Well, it looks like we've hit just a little bit of holiday traffic, but no worries at all. Perfect time for us to get to know each other. Is this anybody's first time on the Jingle Cruise? First time on... Okay, nice, nice. Yeah, me too, me too. Yeah. I guess you can say we're in the same... situation. Yeah. Okay, was that anybody's last time on the Jingle Cruise? Last time? Okay, just me? No, I'm kidding, guys. No, that's good. Share your experiences from today, guys. It's going to help keep our wait times down. All right? Yeah.